bafethu ayikabi Club Soweto bonjour. Lengwenye ekseni ngimamele ithi we need to stop now telling God about our problems. We need to tell our problems about God.
Yeah.
Uyithatha phi lelingo rings and bearings.
Good buddies, experience.
Ayikabi.
Experience, good buddy.
Awubabingelele namhla ivulwa ubisho nje yami.
Awuyibo? Club Soweto. Bonjour. Bafethu ayikabi. Wena ubhizi ku podcast zinqombothi lelokishini mina ngiku-skim GP ayikabi asifani.
Dankie boy. Ukranti so.
Ngicreate good buddy wena.
UTK ngisheka abashana bafunga wena abashana balokwa busy balandelela i-content yakho nabashana bagijima ngawe online. You are a great influence. Are you aware how much of an inspiration are you to these young people?
Eish good man, nami nafanda can't believe. Honestly, it's overwhelming at times, yabo good man, but finally at least ngitume ngezinto ezigrand yabo. Ngoba bengitume ngabo wrong kuphela good man. So noma ngikhuthaza le ntwana ngizibona zenza kanje akuna stress. No Cristiano makase Jimmy uzibiza ngoMessi good man. Zigrand. Makase Jimmy ngiyakutshela unokujika lezi ajima nazo makaqeda ukora uthi hey nguMessi dini. So kugrand le ntwana mazi inspired mazibona somewhere la singathatha khona ukukhuthali inspiration hope good man yabo.
Ubuye happy boy uzalwe laphi?
Ngibuye Orlando eSoweto.
Yeah, just Orlando. East West.
East.
Yeah. Right. Ngifuna ukuyithatha siyibisele emuva because UTK you shot to fame but yonke lento ibuya from ungikhumbuza abafundi bakaYesu omunye nomunye bathi uSimon omunye wakhatha indlebe wayilahlela le mawuya abantu baseBhayibhelini nje omunye nomunye unezitori zakhe ezibhaya. So now you are a man who were once a valiant and you have done so many things and mawuhleli phansi ngezwe through your testament ukuthi hey chief bengingasi out egrand mina yabona nami ngabe ngibangwa nezibi mhlawumbe ngabe ngisegodini vandag yonke lento isuka phi isusola kuphi from la uzalwa khona
dayile ngigroti isuke Orlando yabo Orlando East Grotmani literally izinto zingaya left at any time yabona grot isuka in an environment where akunama role model lapha aya grand yabo grot so si vulnerable because siyintwana and we're trying to find ourselves yabo and by doing that si attract all these different kinds of characters yabo and la ufila comfortable khona la ufila ngathi umnandi khona kulaba kuxutla khona kulaba umnanda untswimo kula ufika uhlale khona. That's where you choose to stay because you feel loved, you feel you know comfortable. And unfortunately because of our environment esikhule ko it's not always going to be the right circles yabo la uzofika uhlale khona. So kule ndawo lezi la ubhemiswa khona inkawu zakuthiwa ugrand ufundiswa amadayisi you know izindawo is exposed to zona ekasi yabo. So that yonke isuka la Grotman ukuthi in this process of trying to find myself like every black child you actually lose yourself yabo. And not many of us are able ukuthi sizithole vivi and you know sibuye ezweni yabo grot. So I'm grateful ukuthi you know I was able ukuthi leyo experience ukuthi ngishape create lo TK enguwe vandag. Buye Orlando East grot man angikhulanga blind. I already bel push time belingekho but already bel push udas la lesigawule kunoma gogo endlini kunama cousin kunoma aunties asibabhaya nje la yabo.
Okay, time alephi if you don't mind me asking.
Itime chuti likhona ne grot. But I don't know what led him to that and ngimxolele for that njengoba sengigrot yabo. But his idea of being itime kimi was ukhipha nje inyuku yabo. I think that was sufficient for yena as itime at the time. I don't know what happened between yena and Oledi angicavi but ngintwana itime lami ngilibona once December masiyobhaya impahla ze Christmas yabo. Once I look forward to that when I heard my name. Bengilimela lelo langa lelo from shoot malifike ngi16 ngi17 izolo besiyothenga besiyostasha ngi17 sesista from ngi17 I'm looking forward to the Christmas year next day ukuthi time ngizolibona nini vivi. So he was in there. That's why you ama male figure around Tina at the time ekasi yabona grot. Grotman lami a bit older than me laspina over yabo. So yiba abantu ngibabhekile you are my influence wami lezi yabo zisekasa I understand lezi zenzani hlala zinenyuku zihlala zidrivile but manje I understand and ezona zikutshela ukuthi yes girl when how izwisisa ufuna le level ya and azange iphile nokuyiphila ilive yakhona ngoba ama-drugs avele wanginyompula fast nemali angiyibonanga anenyuku mina ngiyibonanga
ngiyakubona ungena ku-character manje uyakhuthala ungena kulo TK engimaziyo
yeah amele ube comfortable like that ayisho mangibona wena i-energy yakho grot i-aura yakho i-contagious sure so grot yeah man ngigeleze lens primary intwana egrand yabo top 5 esigela via mamaxi most famous kid esigela nqanya ukujiva cava esigela sami lesi public bangakutshela mangabe ugeleze lens uyasazi le story angibathanda ukungiphikisa kuma comment section mina ngiringmanga abafisi hayi mina ngiringmanga
awuyebo
ngithola grot so ngimnandi man esigela grot already hlezi libizwe into ezigrand yabo uzobukela ingcosi yakhe ise stage uzobukela ingcosi yakho yenzani ngikhula grand but I think that was my first addiction yangithola grot i-attention ukubonwa abantu ukuthandwa abantu ngiwani le intwana zibo my 6 intanga zami zangilandela zimamela mina and zona sangisebenzeli mina sengifuna ukuskima lezi zigrot ngoba zona zingenzela kancane so I think that was my first addiction nalezi zigrot nazo sihlanya ngami yabona grot so ngikhula kanje vele esigela ngiyacaviwa and I won't sit come here and say influence benginayo iyo mina ngicine ngiba influence blind ebantwini ababhaya grot because kunentwana today that's why le question ongibuza yona ukuthi le ntwana lezi ezizenza uTK nongifila kanjani I'm grateful because kunentwana today who picked up their first drug or their first drink because we made it look like integrand yabo grot and they didn't find a way out yabo kunentwana ezibholile vandag because you know sibonikithi uyangithola grot so I'm just trying to rewrite my wrongs wami grot man yami yabo so ngikhula kanje ngintwana egrand but siyamove kakhulu ne-already yabo ngoba i-already ithola i-step timer sami who's still part of my life right now ngincanywa blind yabo siyasuka ekasi se-Israel etsakani yabo ayidayide ngiloku yangikhawatha lokumova kakhulu because la ngifika khona mina ngibamba fast ngikhetcha fast yabo grot and emangifika angizwana lento ukuthi sengimanje back of the line mina ngijwayele ukuba number 1 ekasi ngiyacaviwa manje ngifike ekasi elisha bangazi sekumele ngiveze uTK fast ukuthi nabo bakhetche on fast isivele kiwe so ngifike etsakane akuthatha isikhathi again bad circles la ngifila comfortable khona yabo kula ngifuna ukuthi abazongisaluta khona ngisemadayisini ngisekhoneni nguphi ngiseyigateni nguphi shuthi la impilo yami ya change etsakane because sengihluphile vele naseSoweto kancane ngicala ukuhlupha ngisaseyintwana grot yabo but ukungena kwami etsakane that's how I know ukuthi ngikhulele eSoweto ngiyancane eSoweto ayimara Israel mina ngifika ngale ngcondo ukuthi ngibuye eSoweto angeke bangitshele uyongihlangana nabo cheese boy grot angihlangana nobo cheese boys agqoka intwana ebafethi intwana zase-Israel zagqoka
yithi laba
sengikhalela umama ngithi hayi mama leza impahla za last year Christmas zenza kancane awufonele lo muntu sister Chevy ngoba kuyaliwa ngapha ngiba famous fast ngara grot man bangibiza uSoweto yabo bangibiza Southern eIsrael yabo olithi lami lwele ukuthi ngithola isigele esigrand eEureka High ngena la isigele esitop sise Springs first year ngiyaqhuzwa first year yami ngiyaqhuzwa sithanda ukuganganyana kunesigele next door yabo lesigele sase next door ingami la kuphela yabo so esiyasibhayizisa lezi zingarayo yabo sinokungena lapha yana esibuye sesizishayile ngara sesingayi but angifuni ukudwela kakhulu kulezi zinto bengizithuna grotman because istory yasiva siku recover siku so bright siku what God can do. That's where the real story is. The story is not in the war stories though. A lot of people have seen it. I think Skim GP alone has produced so much content ngalawo parts of our lives. Aske sikhulumeni ngokuthi after kwayenzakalani mawuqoqa ukuhlangana noNkulunkulu what happened when God finally came to you what happened yabo so angifuni ukudwela kakhulu kulesa story lesiyana but just to make people relate ngoba kunentwana maybe who's traveling down the same path who needs to relate to this story ukuthi nami ngidlule dawo yabo bayangicuza first year growth Olidlamli disappointed blind she had to pull strings ukuthi ingene la kulesa scale ayelakhali uledi bayangicuza sekumele ngiye kwesinye isigela obangicuza first day ngiyayiceda ngiyadika ngiyafela next year so first time ngifeli oledi alihlanganele ukuthi kwenzakalani
Top 5 uyafeyila nje.
lentwana le kwenzakalani like iya change nje right in front of my eyes and I think that's the worst for parents just ukubona incosi yakho going towards the wrong direction when you know what he's capable of when you've seen him like you thought you've done a great job all this time and then fika nje something yam distractor and then so umbukela manje sekatravula down the wrong path yabo. I remember oledi lami sihleli kulela disciplinary hearing likhali inyembezi scheme that was the first time libizwela into wrong lijwayele ukuthi mali ene malithola le yakho liyasho ukuthi ezinye izinto intwana yami so intwana yami mhlawumbe iphasile or i-stage or something i-medal yizi izinto engibizwela zona mina lezi this time balibizela i-disciplinary hearing bayangigquza la vela bathatha istory abayangigcuza ngapha ngibuye Soweto bathi mina ngi-influencer lezi ezangara sekuyenye into nje ebhaya ayisani ngibuyele eKasi ngiyabloma yabona manje sekune change sekumele already ngitholele isigela vaya eKasi.
Njami ungakhohlwa your line of thinking. So sinabantu aba very critical, you know. At times sayishaya into sithi halamuzi ngesizulu.
Yeah.
But ama questions wabantu ahleli la ekuthenini kunomntwana. I want to know ukuthi what is that thing that break the camel's back because mabagquza mawuthi le nto beyintswembu. Beyintswembu in a sense ukuthi umuntu bamthola yabhema bamthola bamba abantu inkunzi bamthola because into ezenzakala esigele. So that khona incosi ela kulendlela okuyo kune already lidunyelwa ekhanda lithi yes lo mfana uza nale story mara makangasho ngoba lentwana iyangifihlela esikolweni yababhulisha bayasaba ukungitshela.
So izinto ezibhaya grot bakushaya ngefile yabo.
Yeah.
Ngimangele mina mangena eofisini bangidonsela ifile
but
nazi izinto lokuziyenza wena yabo loku uyabhanka sibuye kuyogcekeza i-tuck shop yasesigela.
Yabona abantu bewamisa into emnandi kanjani.
Ngicela yo sibuye kuyoshaya i-tuck shop yasesigela kushuthi kunama break ayi2 yabo. I-first break i-second break yabo. Makuceda ukuphuma i-first break. Abantu bayasuka baye emaklasini thina sasala ngayiye pavilion yabo la i-tuck shopping ngakhona sayishaya. Lo sestero osipana la ingamla uyavaya vele every time after first break avayo yenza into zakhe abuye vivi yabo. Makabuya second half uthi uzovula for i-second break isikole sinakuhle. Asimoshile lapha shuthi enye into egrod
Cala elibufu.
Ngintwana encane uyabona uma intwana encane ngisha amaswidi angakanani skiki ngiwaparakele angakanani lamathendi lawa ya. So babuya nawo wonke lamafile yabo. Babuya nawo wonke lamafile mara elingicuzisa esigela yilo lelo ngitshela ngayo ukuthi le intwana lezi ezangara kulesigele sangara siyaphuma thina yabo zona siphuma elisigela yabo masiphuma esigela nathi siyadotsha esisha umthanga lesigela masifika ngaphandle phone sibuyele esigela yabo istyle sethu uyayibona riding so
I was khoko TK
man khulman
no I passed ushilo
yeah ukungazazi man grot yabo ukungazicavi mongazazi ugcina wenza izinto nawo bongazimiselanga ukuthi ungazenza yabo because mawuyenza riding mawubuyela ngala lezi yazi down unswembuka kakhulu so when awuzazi ubelievers on if you don't know yourself Rodman people will tell you what you are not and you believe them and you end up a result of their opinions ngithola Rodman their opinions about you end up being you because you believing them ngithola so ngicine ngiyilento abangitshela ukuthi ngiyongcine nami sengiyilento leyo and then disciplinary hearing ke bangicuzela lelo sakulele esigele ukuthi nayi kuzo zonke TK lena ngeke simele beyiku build kule paper lela bathi newspaper writing so i-reputation yesigela second time by the way ngiba ephepheni yabo for izinto ezirong first time which is a story I never thought I'd share. This is the first time I share my stories a lot, especially in circles la kunentwana ezama ukuchange khona yabo. But I don't share this story much and story esisa shaper angisho manje eshiningcolele babukeli siya yabo. Ungibuyise skimo ngibona ngathi.
Hayi kuleka.
But before I even went to Israel. The first time ngenza crime bengintwana yabo grot and ngibloma indawo nezirong emadayisini nani. So lezi zasekasi esezispinayo already zisitshela ukuthi nami sengiyaspina because of la ngibloma khona nale character engiyo. Zinale idea ukuthi loya muntu loya uyaganga loya muntu loya. I remember out yami yokucala engispina nayo mayiza kimi ithi kimi mfana kudala ngifisa ukuphanda nawo yazi. Ngathi dala ngiphanda and because again angizicave ngiyamkholwa lo muntu lo ukuthi should nami ngisiphande ngivumelana naye grot ngithi mfana siyenze lento le ukhuluma lento abo 11 ekseni Josi kanjalo yabo ngithuke blind ngiyaqala ukuyenza la iding mara siyapopa grot yabo and second addiction inyuko yabo so nenyuko yakho unenyuko ongayicelanga ejardini so nenyuko I remember le nyuko ngayichafa ngaphandle ukuthi ingangeni nayo endlini yabo so nenyuko yakho manje hawo ziyakhipha mosla amajita sewayazenza lezi zinto mina ngazi nokuthi ngiyenzeni ngale nyuko le ngiyichafa ejardini ekseni mangivuka khali flake vivie ngiyavela kuthiwa emfethu u-right ngitangi right kuthiwa siye futhi out masiphuma ngalelo this is the second time ngithi ngiyenza into wrong empilweni yami masiphuma out siyalibona le dladla siyalingena sisaselapha kulela dladla leli yona le out yami lena bengidonsile izolo C4 la iyavela seyivela la sesithi siliphinile khona iyavela seyivela ithi bafethu inswemu ayisani siyaphuma yabona masiphuma angazi vele kwenzakalani imthanga la back opposite mangibheke emuva i-out yami one igijima right behind me yabo ngiyayibona entanga siye siya luyamthangala umile lapha mangifika mina ngishaya luyamthangala le out yami kushuthi ngiphezulu ne ngibheka phansi mangigquma le out yami yona ithi iyagibela ngizwa kanti lo muntu lo uyayidonsa ngasemva rot shoot lo muntu makayidonsa ngasemuva mina ngiyabona lo muntu usele mos shuthi sispina phambi kwesigela yabo rot sispina kanje labantu bayaphuma yabo after school angaze ngashare le story because it's miraculous that's how I get to see ukuthi even in the mess and in the chaos you know God has always been there because damele ngikhawatheke but yazi mangiphuma groti just nje ngithi ngiyoshaya ikhona nasi lesigela siyaphuma kungayi incosi sesigela ukhala bovimba yazi ngisinda kanjani la bathi vimba yabona attention yangibheka and ngiyakubo labantu ngoba lezi shubile nami ngithi vimba
usizomhleva
nami ngithi vimba ene ngintwana angazi ngicabanga kanjani impulsive nje nami ngithi vimba ngiyazibona incosi zishaya kadizi
mele sifake kuhayi kabi izimba
mele sishaya ivimba zishaya kadizi lencosi ziphaphama sengihamba phambili nyana khona ewani izwa bathi uye loyo iziyagijima again God ngoba bheka le ntwana iziyagijima ne and ine height kimi uJimmy intwana yakhona ngeke ngablome esinawane beyiblome eKasla mara ngiyibona ifunda la so iza kanje iyagijima ithi izongibamba mayifika close kimi mangithena kanje ithi ntanga kanti uwe ngithi intanga yimi ithi amfana baleka labantu bazokhawathi tash kanjalo Khotmani ngihlukana namajita la ngazi amajita aphelelepi ngejardini mina yabo ayingishawa istress uthi yo lo muntu ngimbonile usele lapha yana and uzobreeze event ya muntu lo muntu lo yana uzodreka loya ay mara feri ngidlile mangivuka ekseni flake vivi ngiyavuka ekseni same out yami liyane ngifake kulezi zinto lezi and intwana kunami yabo iphethe iDailisane at the time Dailisane beyizinqanywa blandi iTorres so yendoda uGrand ngithi ngiGrand mfethu uzwile ngithi ngizwile ini idayi mfethu umuntu okanje mfethu gone hayibo uthinta ithi mfethu bheka naku front page out yami leza incosi zikhawathi fail shoot bathi mabayibamba vele bayishaya iborder la sengijumpa vele mina nge all star bayikhavile vele It changed me, that story, man. You would think ukuthi someone ophanda for the second time, because that's a sign for umuntu normal ukuthi no, I'm traveling down the wrong path. It things stop. You think ukuthi that's where I change for the better, kanti that's where I change for the worst, man, yabo. So mangivela lapha yana kule build yalapha eEastern,
second time. No, siyahlangana istory ngiyakuthola manje.
Sokwesithu yayibona man, ngivela lapha ya.
Yo.
Eish.
Yeah. So tshela mina. I-old lady at this time njengoba sebalibiza esigele, because I think besida ukunitha le story nicely. Malifika balichayela ukuthi kukanje. Ngifuna ukuthola i-reasoning yomuntu omdala ne-disappointment. Mawumamela uthini make khuluma nawe uma already?
Nam.
Yeah, mabaqeda ukukuchayela ukuthi wena sakufuna nimele uhambe wena.
No, mina senginamalanga ngingakhulumisani naye yabo.
Yeah.
Senginamalanga ngingaringisani naye via before kuzoba i-disciplinary hearing kuba i-suspension yabo. Suspension iphuma ne-love letter yabo. Uzotshela abazali bakho baze for i-disciplinary hearing. Mina ngilokhu ngiyashaya. I remember ngathi first term man. Yeah, first term on my second year ngoba first year ngiqedile ngadika before March bese sengigquziwe la. So mina ngiyamshaya yabo ukuthi siyabhala yabo. Uyabona le ayiye esigela ma. Mangiyesigela mana ngifike esigela yabo. So ngiloku nje amalanga nje ngiloku ngiyayihlaba. Iyafika le disciplinary hearing iyandlula yabo. Mayindlula le disciplinary hearing mina ngita yazi intwana uyicabanga ndayini ngibona ngathi into ezophela. Khona umunye uMenier lapha yana iureke le out benganqanywa scheme. Hayi benganqanywa le out Menier ngiyakubonga. Eish ngile into engiyo ngoba wekuthando sengigrotse ngiyajumpa mina ndayini yabo. Ngoba eish ngintwana sekasi Menier sekasi ende ngiyahlupa eish. So benganqanywa lezi zinto bengizo. Mina ngibona ngathi ayinqanywa kanti hayi Menier benganqanywa. Menier goes as far as finding where I live. He wasn't even part of everything. Like akangeni da. Yabo akekho kulabantu akusi vice Menier nje.
Mfethu.
Mara kufika yena eJardini ne-love letter ukuthi mama uzwile ukuthi lo yamuntu siyamfuna le. Hawu wenzeni manje? Hayi bayenza into kanje. So siya lapha ku disciplinary hearing oleti lamsela cha. Oleti lambeli nesandla scheme belingamani ukuthi sicima no. Yabo mara after that ngishaya nokungishaya yabo I was disappointed nje ukuthi son lo muntu wenzani yabo. I think it was a lot for her because she just got into marriage, you know, stepfather sami and nayi manje kuzintwana ehluphayo yabo. And then nale yasedladleni naye ahlupha already yabo. So uThemba naye Grootman yami umthimbana yabo Themba nje. Uthemba Grootman amisha 10 an la lo gob no ngincanywa blind. Ama conversation wami nayo sewa different no yabo. Khulile blind. Yabo ngikhulisile nami blind ngincanywa blind. So dayide ngiyamstressa ukuthi manje bazothina emendweni manje ngiza nenci ngiyabo udayide ngiyamshaya yabo. Yamshaya dayide and manje i-timer lingincanywa blind. Lona yilo ke elisesayidini lami uthi ndoda wenzani yile likhona ukuringa nami. I already lona lihlanganela mfethu. We didn't speak until I think it was 2 days before the actual disciplinary hearing asiring. Masifika la sihlangana neprincipal iprincipal ithi idonsa lela file nami ngimangela ukuthi file elingaka. Idonsa lela file ithi mama TK usually thina sinokuba lenient siyabacolela abantu mara lo mntana akho lo iziyasho leya out iJananda ithi take him to JE Malepe take ikhuluma legela lezi eselokishini yabo ukuthi hayi la kulesi mise lelokishini shuthi iyangisusa kulento ekumele ngibe yiyo ngoba kumele ngibe la kumele ngizogeleza kumele ngizoba mnandi la. So i-olela ring ifokole scheme she just burst into tears. For the whole disciplinary hearing, I was just looking at her crying. She just cried. Yabo. And then ekugcineni ke bayalibuza ke ukuthi mfethu uthini ayililancenga abadayi. Ngitsuye lo muntu mela hambe sengiyachifta ke kanjalo sengiyofuna isigele kasi.
Uma already bancenga sebatsheliwe ukuthi le yinja kahle kahle amasimba umuntu la.
Yeah.
And uthando lo mama.
Hayi bengazawa siba skibeki.
Lenet da.
Ebafethu kuyohlala amasimba abantu la ningangihlanganisi lo. Ayihlala abanye abantu la. Ngifuna ukuthi please bafethu. Yabona uskimba kathi amasimba umuntu akaringi ngami uriya ngala bantu abake bahlala like this.
No, yabona if there's one thing engibamba kule conversation, you are owning up to izinto but you are distancing yourself from your past, which is really good. Abantu ababhaya ngiphume edanyane ngithi ngithathe a single trip from ejele. Abantu basathatha i-return ticket. Uyambona umuntu onamasayini okubuyela ejele. Lo ebuyela lo. Noma ungathi wenzani? Yazi yathi yamo AJ. Bekana ukungitshela scheme. The reason why ngafuna ukuhlala ngilo ngikhuluma neziboshwa. Chief iboshwa sinengqondo ezifile. Ungahamba nibheje nibuye nonke nihlanganini imillion ngizonitshela nigcwele ukuthi iboshwa zigcwele amasimba. So I would understand isikhathi masiya athi kimi asihlale besihlala si about 5960 H section kule section ebesikuyo.
Sure.
Athi ithi ngubalele athi le izobuya la lezobuya kukhona isiboshwa saphuma before lapha nasihleli to I H section mara leyo uthi buye ka 8
yo kuleyo
8 times
yo
masoqedelela i-remainder sentence yethu it was 2 years layout ibuye 8 times before Silva. So I'm just saying ukuthi mawukhuluma yabona le language derogatory ukuthi amasimbi kaka yomuntu umuntu onokususa umsindo okungena nix you understand amasimbi umuntu akana peace amasimbi umuntu lo muntu njengalo
lo muntu makungathi ku grand uba worry ukuthi wangathi kuthulile avela suse something
kahle kahle ngithanda lelimo
that's why
yeah
and I like that you that's a great observation. I'm very careful past yam because like I said, unless I want a kid to relate, then I'll sit with him and take him through the hell that I went through.
Yeah.
But I don't regret my past, nor do I wish to shut the door on it.
Yeah.
But it didn't create this version of me. God did. People always say ngikanje because of past yam. Angikho so because of past yam.
God did. Yeah.
The past yam was trying to create something different, but God came in and he was like, no, I'm going to use that experience. Yeah, but that is just a bit of the things that God used to transform my Ilivea. And so there's so many other things.
Let's talk about the spiritual awakening because you keep on referring and mentioning God.
Yeah.
So abantu abaningi obviously sinama religion are different. Islamic religion, Shia, Sunni, kunabo Shembe, bona ubuzalwane and that. Are you a Christian? Are you a mhlambe someone who believer kubu Buddhism or you're an atheist? Because you keep on mentioning God.
God's name.
Uhlangana kanjani noNkulunkulu?
Shuthi before ngizoye rehab I spent that night on a cell. I'm 30 years old at the time.
Yeah.
I look at my past and inhliziyo yami isiyeri ukuthi vele sengiphelele lawo yabo. Isiyeri inhliziyo yami ngikhumbula ngihleli kulela cell ngihleli ngiyi-1 kunomunye umadala lapha ekhoneni kuneyintwana ezincane ezigcwele la. Lo madala lo ya le ntwana masithi zangikhulumisa zingifuna ini lo madala vela tiyekelani loyo muntu. Uyangibona ukuthi a very hopeless state of mind, body and soul. Ngikhathele, bankrupt, angina next. Bankrupt. You ask me about to spiritually bankrupt.
Empty. Yeah.
Empty. That spiritual malady, yabo. So ngiplomeda mangiloku ngihleli la ngiyi-1 yazi ngenzani I'm forsaking him. Anyamthuka ngimtshela the way angangisebenzelanga ngakhona ngimtshela the way angangisizanga ngakhona ngimtshela ngale way kunini ngifuna ukuphuma le mpilo bheka manje sengiphakiwe ngimtshela yonke into nje engifila ngathi ngiyi-1 lapha ekhoneni. And then the next morning he shows up to help me. That's an experience. That's why noma ngikhuluma kuma video wami ukuthi mina I've seen what God can do. I'm not really spiritual, I think I'm still on a journey and God continues to enlighten me, yabo. I'm not really religious. I'm gonna be honest, yabo, because angacamba manga ngicamba manga kakhulu engishasha kakhulu.
I like that.
Ngazitshela ngathi mangena uNkulunkulu makashintsha impilo yami ngathi one of the things that I need to change. One of the things that I need to do is to be honest. Not with other people but with myself first. kumele ngicale ngiringe ivar no. So mangiphuma da that experience mangithi I've seen God ngikhuluma that experience specifically ukuthi lo muntu ngispende there last night ngimforsake ngiyavuka ekuseni mele ngiye off before ngibona noMajiane he shows up in a form of other people here to help me. So iOlidlam wrote to the show. I don't know if I can mention the channel.
Yeah.
Wrote to the show Imocha Love. Uyaphuza and then iletha yakhe kulama letha imillion abawathumela abantu bayikhetha leya letha leya. And then mabakhetha leya letha leyana bana 3 days labantu bangifuna ngitholakale. Wonke lamahonje I remember the producer at the time mabafika bazokufuna babhamba they move on to another person because baningi si South Africa yabhayiziseka ama drugs yabo. So i-producer at the time told them ukuthi
person of interest ilo
i-crew ithi manje siyakubani idai siyabuya futhi kusasa eOrlando. When she describes it athi she had a feeling ukuthi mele ngithole right yabo. Babuye kusasa bathi bayangibheka bump bathi ithi ya siyabuya vivie bheka uNkulunkulu wenzani grot because ngintswemi ngokubaleka ngitholakala mina bengitswemi ngokungatholakala
manga ukubaleka
mina ihata ngiyakwazi ukulibaleka ipoiza ukuthi lingangibambe yabo ngiyakwazi ukuzichafa from ihata. So mangiloku ngena kulama drug house esibhema kuwo lama drug den esibhema kuwo bayakhala amajita bathi yabo lo yenze this time TK
uyafuneka nje
endoda ufunwa iCNN ufunwa iSABC ufunwa yonke into endoda wenzeni engaka ndoda ngibabona ama camera yabo. Ngiyazibuza nami ngoba akumelanga bangitshele ngoba ngizobaleka so I have no idea but ngilokhu ngiyabhema yabo so sengibhema newar yabo. I-crystal meth when you use my drug of choice was crystal meth and Menrex by the way. I-crystal meth when you use isikhathi eside it gets to a part where umzimba uyakhathala yabo. Bayibiza nge-shutdown. La it can't take anymore. You don't want to shut down na endaweni ongekho safe kuyo ngoba sinama enemy kule mpilo leno yabona uthathela abobani something thathela abobani banama drugs wabo wenzeni ubani bana bakuncanye ezale phezulu azifuna ezala enzansi yabo intonyane ezinjalo. So kumele wenze sure ukuthi mawushut down at least usendaweni la safe khona. Ngiyayizwa le shutdown iyezwa ngithi ayithinga endlini hayi mangishisa iyafana maye bazongibamba sebangibamba but uNkulunkulu wenze ezinye izinto ngalela langa because ngifike endlini ngiyasplasha instead of ukuthi ngishut down ngiyageza mangicela ugeza sengifresh vie liya shut down ayisekho kufika abohata bakokota endlini mabakokota endlini labohata lawa anke lam asizwani mina nala siyagura yabo siyagura ngihlupa kakhulu yabo. Lithi bayakokota ingqondo yami switcha off ngoba mangise roomini lami eGroti ibhatla le window lasemuva ngiliphulile ukuthi mazishuba ngikhona ukuphuma ngala yabo. But ngalelo langa lela ngiyidenki la yini instead kuvula mina from eroomini ngithi yebo esinganisiza but sifuna ufiki babize uncle lami yabo. Ngithi ayo wenzeni yes akakawuzwe naye anaye makezwa ngithi ihlezi angibizela
iyangibasela
naye ngithi endoda ayinyagogodo nazi indaba zakho bhuti yabo yavuka le awuthi lena bayivuka le awuthi lena ivula umnyango so umnyango ibhatla mina yimi engiphambili manje abo baba bala imuva kwami ithi kwenzakalani but ufiki ithi yimi ufiki but and then bese uthokoza nobani yabona sengiyacala manje ngidawu mani kanti kwenzakalani kanti
phakathi nendawo
but hey
bracket
but ngithi hayibo kanti nifuna abantu bathi usize ngithi for but uzokhuluma uyazi base basho kanjalo so uNkulunkulu dawo uyangithatha ungibeke endaweni eyi1 ngoba ngitholakala imoja love yangifuna ifuna ukusiza impilo yami. uNkulunkulu uyangithatha uyangibracketha ngoba ngiyazula Ngibaleka usizo wakubona ubaleka usizo
Hey,
these people
mfethu.
awazi grot
Hey, son.
so ngitholakala kanjalo ke mangifika ekseni makumele ngiyobona umajiyani kuvela iHotman lami engilinqanywa kakhulu uMandla Mbatha he was part of that show ekseni ngiyaphuma ceda ukuphume off cell iyavela le Grootman ithi kimi Ivani uncle lami ngithi uncle man kwenzakalani akunanto esingayenza uncle ama complainer uncle ithi
Relax, yeah.
khuluma nalo muntu lo sengiyayibheka le out ngithi then wena ubani ndoda wena ngoba mina ngiboshiwe la wena ubani is introduce la out ithi so hey shabunjani TK igama lami uMandla Mbatha I'm part of Moja Love wa channel 157 uyaphuza inama beka TK sesikhulume no magistrate lapha ya magistrate uthi uzokugaya ithuba mara manje uzomela uyi-rehab ngithi hayi ngoba ngiyayicabanga la ile ukuthi rehab
Stokis,
rehab ngivuma same time umajiyane masifika la uyibeka so simply uthi lo muntu unama rights I won't make that decision for him mara manje ngizomnika i-chance but I won't make that decision for him so it's not gonna be forced in any way he has to make that choice for himself but I'll give him a chance but if I see him la futhi angayanga lapha ya lo muntu uyale ngithi free bail ngithi yo on ngiphethe i25 rand ngicede uyisearch enye intwana lapha eofcell ngiphethe enye iphone ayina battery ngihlanya plan ngihlanganisa le 25 rand nale phone yo ngibona ibag mina uthi yo on ngiphuma kanje lapha yana sengijulukile ngicabanga
hey man
mangiphuma lapha yana ngicede ukuphuma nje eOrlando Court nawa abosisi nomsabuthelisi angithi manje ama camera wangene off so bangimele ngaphandle yabo hello TK imosisi nomza ngithi sisi ngimthanda flight sine relationship etop mina la no ngithi sister before uyafair uzwida ngisho
hey
bathi ichoice yakabani and then ni consent yokuthi ningishuthe nithatha va ngoba seningigcwelele ngama camera ngathi mina ngike ngasigna something nizongava
yo
angida mina but mosithina sithi siqedile lo muntu uvumile ngithi angida because when God wants you kuba nezinto ezibhaya ezizama ukukudonsa yabo yazi khona emunye umuntu okwakhuluma into epowerful grot wathi kunama journey 3 emhlabeni the first journey is a journey away from God the second journey is a journey towards God wakayibona inyoka mayoshed skin grot yazi yenzani mayara kulo yamgodi ifuna indawo eisolated ayifuni la kunabantu nezinto khona ifuna la izoba isolated khona yabo mayara iyosheda lesa skin la endleleni kunama distraction abhaya kunokudlula igundwane kundlula igundwane iyokhohlwa ukuthi ifuna ukuyenzani la that's the journey towards God mayifika la ishare le skin and the third journey is the journey with
in God
yabo yazi mayihamba yazi mayiceda ukuphuma la ayibheki nasemuva ihamba wayaphambili uyangithola same nani so one of the biggest blocks in me accepting this grace and this mercy is me yonke into seyihleli kanje mele nje ngithi this is the decision most addicts fail to do. That's the one, after a series of bad decisions, that was the best decision I could have made in Pilwenam. It took me hours. From me off, I think ngabo 11, ngize ngavuma ngabo 7 ntambama. Intervene cameraman, mphakathi, intervene everyone, producer, makeup, wonke umuntu intervenile lapha. Wonke umuntu une chance ukuthi athike ngithi haya ngida. But when it's time, it's time. Ngoba uNkulunkulu yena bese kavumile. Ngivuma le egcine ntambama ngisayiphethe le 25 hours bathi manje uthi uyahamba ngithi ngiyavaya olethi lami lithi ngiyazi ufuna ukuyobhema makafuna ukuyobhema kokugcina mikeleni ngithi haya ngisafuna nokubhema sambeni ngiyayikhohlwa le 25 rand sambeni But manje ngithi nginelanga lonke ngiphume eselini angagawuli mangangitholela nje igawula and akusina ilanga yonke iminyaka ngingadli
Eish mfethu.
yes
Hey,
ngagawula
mfethu.
ngidasambeni bathi manje thatha izinto zokuchange ngithi ziphi bathi awuna bag inyana uthi ngithi ziphi kanti benithi ngibhema ini ishebeto resutate bengibhema ama drugs phela mina addiction takes kanti ngicabanga ukuthi nizolanda bani la the one thing that we have in common Khotman is that addiction takes
Yo.
that's the only thing wonke ama addicts anayo in common ukuthi it will take opportunities it will take family it will take
Your peace.
your peace it will take your integrity it will take your respect it takes and when it's done taking it takes you
Hey, that's powerful, Mjan.
yathatha that thing there ikushayela amapeks okuneke endlini uthi uwasha lesikibhanyana sakho sokugcina mawuthi shu anginanamapeks bafethu lezo nkawuza nazo sinokuthi masibhlomile zirapa amapeks ayi5 seziphume nawo ngithi bathatha into zokuchange ngithi mina ngina next ngene rehab ngana ne toothbrush ngidwadla la angina ne toothbrush bangidwadla la endleleni producer yale show at the time
Yo.
olitlami nginqanywa blind yile lingibhayela my first cosmetics iGrootman uMandla Matha uyongilethela izinto zokuchange those people azange bangiyeka nanoma sengiphume rehab that's why ngibavalue kanje Grootman because
Shout out.
one of the hardest things for every recovering addict and this is why people are afraid to start and embark on this journey of sobriety is to start from scratch bayasha
Yeah.
hlezi ngithi la maGrootman lawa azoza la ku scheme ashashayele intwana ashile mina ngibona amaGrootman ashile mina kahle sabe ukushintsha impilo zawo that's why ba promote i-comfort in discomfort akho mnandi ukuganga Grootman
Hey.
akho mnandi ukuba clever
Yeah.
it's not comfortable that thing why should we promote it like it's comfortable
Yeah.
akho mnandi da so why are we promoting comfort in discomfort mele sitshele intwana ivar ukuthi that's not the life you want to choose kuyabheda la
Yeah.
kuntswembu da hayi la ngizofika la ngithi ngiyiclever mangabe uyiclever stop
Yeah.
iclever mina engizaziyo they knew when to stop
Yeah.
i definition of iclever for mina someone who uyowafundiseka ngalezi zinto lezi uyangithola Groot mangibheka iGrootman yasekasi nanoma ibhayiziseke inganazinto mara for the mere effect yokuthi beyispina yayeka for mina clever loyo muntu loyo hayi umuntu osayichubekisa ijeki I mean angikhulisa amaGrootman scheme bewangitshela straight athi ikhona iGrootman yejeki
Yeah.
iGrootman yes9 straight yaze ipile engafuni ukuchinja ile engafundi ayifundi from ama experience isafana le Grootman 10 years later isafana le Grootman ayikashintshi nakancane seyigaya abantu manje lento lebe lomqondo obhedayo eyuwe wona seyigaya le intwana lezi ezincane that's why ngiphikisana nalale ngikura nalale Grootman mina mangiclub Soweto angikhulumi ngeEptsotsini asifani that's not what I'm saying Eptsotsini yabo Soweto thank you majobele Eptsotsini yabo hayi mina azifani lezi zinto ningasihlanganisi akusinte one le club Soweto team so bright yabo is so bright last promoter eish
Healthy life. Positive life. Yeah.
life with God Grootman so nginga shifta kakhulu but to answer your question your initial question yes I do have a very special relationship with the God of my understanding he continues to enlighten me edladleni mabakhuliso yabo ma-Christian ejardini yabo let me be honest ngoba ngijikela ama ngithi thingi be honest I think I haven't been willing enough yangithola Groot ukuthi ngene church ingisha every day mangidlile ngi1 ngiyayidink every day ukuthi mara ntanga uyanini church awuboni ukuthi sekuyisikhathi ukuthi ungene church ingisha every day yabo but it's a very special relationship that him and I understand I pray every day yabo Groot and mina ngithandaza no ngiyathandaza uyabona Groot so yeah all in God's time
Yes.
all in God's time
The acceptance community because a lot of people ubona ngokuthi ba recite your content ukuthi now you are accepted and a lot of young people they identify no TK. I opened by TikTok and uyazi ukuthi lento ye-FYP ne-algorithm inokubamba into eyi-one. Once wabamba leyo content kuvela yona waya.
Sure.
So I've been seeing, I saw just between yesterday and today about 11 of your videos. And ngikhuluma ngabantu aba-different. Today bekuyi-Grootman, reciting your content. And umuva, the way umuva ngakhona.
Luyamkhwantsho luyangeke ba-understand.
Yeah.
Omunye umkhwantsho onzima kakhulu. Kushuthi mongakhulanga esijiteni uzokushadisa uzokumesa. That's why nalabo abakhomentayo lapha bathi why is he walking like, is he gay?
Yeah.
No, 2025, when we live amongst gay, like, there's gay communities everywhere. Like, are you still surprised? If I'm gay, then what? Yeah. But I'm not. But I won't answer that. I won't entertain that because it's 2025. We shouldn't be asking questions like that. But Liaok, same shit is leyo muntu leyo ngoba akakhulelanga esijideni akasazi isijida. Akasazi isijida. Yabo? Umkhwantsho wethu lo.
So le significant le walk kahle ine story le walk yakho.
Le walk iyaringa.
Yeah.
You know, I get a lot of questions and baya comment abathi TK walk kangaka, where are you going? Ufika ni ndawo yakhona, and I always tell them to the top.
Yeah.
This is a walk to the top.
Yeah, long
to
of
the
freedom.
throne. La ngiyakhona. La uNkulunkulu angifuna khona kula ngiyakhona.
Yeah.
Bathi ufika nini ngithi ngesikhathi sakhe.
Yeah.
Ayikabi.
Now, before Sivala TK, two last questions. I want us to paint a clear picture of someone on drugs and in drugs. Intoxication. Ukhuluma ngesobriety. But ngikhuluma ngobudisi. And then sizoyivala nge-now. Because the life in God, freedom, and the liberty. The day what kashula machain whatever fit ngisober. And the sober lamalanga ukuthi ngisober for iminyaka engaka. But umuntu ongawuzayo lento ebamba abantu lama shackles ayini kunabazali chief lento yama drugs problem a serious blind. And the question egrot ukuthi kanti who is the supplier, you know?
Yeah, that's the biggest question, and it's crazy. I feel like we are losing in this war. That's why in my videos I always say makrotman tuman min. Yabo? Ngoba bonke labantu enbathumayo bayasha. Bababonisa izinto nyane ezincane bese sebashilo already. Babamba leyo nto le bakhohle ukuthi isizwe siyakhawathelwa, yabo? Thina sikhawathwa yibo labantu laba. So that's not the fight I'm going to fight. That's not my fight. Those people failed at their job. Mine is to carry a message of hope. Ukuthi you can live a life without drugs and alcohol. Ngithola ngizama ukuthini. So ngiyayibona le yampilo ukuthi mangizothi ngifuna ukugijimisana nabo Sneymana, hayi sponsor bocolani, sponsor bo scheme, amaHotman ayayilwa le impilo leyo. Akuseyami. Mina thingidile ngalezi sezinkawuzayo already. Ukuthi siphuma kanjani? Mina thingikhipha ama customer, yabo? Because umuntu onkawuzayo grot. I think let's teach, yabo? Umzali ubhekile endlini ukuthi ubhekane nani. Firstly, addiction it's a disease. You know, this is why rehabs treat it as a medical condition this day. This is why medical aid batalele addiction, yabo? Because it disease that it's a threefold disease, yabo? It affects you mentally, it affects you physically, but the baddest, it affects you spiritually. And you can treat these two. But how do you treat a spiritual malady? So umuntu obanjwe yidayiding. Grot. Akekho umuntu onkawuzayo right now ohappy ngale condition akuyo. Akekho umuntu onkawuzayo right now ogrand ukuthi unless le ntwana esisaqala, yabo? Sase kule experimental phase ay enjoy, yabo? Because kunama stage ay3, kune experimental, kune pleasure stage, kune compulsive stage lapho so uyayuza vele, yabo? So umuntu oda in those shackles akekho happy, akekho da akafuni ukuba da, but they don't know how. And because it's very spiritual and it's very demonic as well, they need something greater. It would be a disservice for me to come here and not say ukuthi you can't do it on your own. You need a power greater than you, Grootman, ukuthi uphume la. Uyiwana ngeke. Uyangithola, Groot? So I think decision. It all boils down to the decision. When you are ready, and when you are ready, you will feel it in your soul which you are ready. So umzali lo kabhiza westana nenyuka isa lentwana ema-rehab yekela lentwana. Uthando nalolo scheme because he needs that experience. As addiction mele yenzeni scheme mele kushaye. Mele kushaye ntswemu usalu yi-1. Pain propelled me mina Grootman. Aksi le decision ngiyenziswa yi-pain. When the pain of not changing is greater than the pain of staying the same, you will do what's necessary. I-pain yokuba into eyi-1 mayihlula i-pain yokushintsha uzoyenza into right ngiyakutshela. Because leya i-pain nyana but leyo ukuthi remaining the same ubhlungu blind. So let's understand into eyi-1 especially as abazali, you didn't cause it, you can't control it and you won't cure it. It's incurable. That's why nami vandag I'm abstinent from drugs, I'm abstinent from alcohol. But I'm still an addict.
How?
Because I need to embrace the fact that it's not curable. So when I know that for a fact, it's acceptance. It's like someone who is HIV positive. That person needs to know that I'm HIV positive.
Ngiphila nayo lento.
Ngiphila nayo into yami. Yabo? Because when you don't acknowledge that and you don't know that, once an addict, always an addict, but we do recover. Recovery is possible. That's the misconception. Yabo? People think you can't live a life without drugs and alcohol. Ila mang is so exposed. No, we can arrest the disease. And then recovery becomes possible. But ukuthi 4 years clean namhlanje akusho ukuthi sengigrand. Kusho ukuthi lezi zinto engilokhu ngizenza empilweni yami ukuthi ngiphile kanje. Mele ngiqhubeke ngilokhu ngizenza. Akumelanga ngibe complacent ngoba mangaphuma kulezi zinto lezi I get complacent and then I lose myself. Relapse, triggers are all over, Groot. Triggers are all over. Kunzima for intwana iphume rehab ukuthi ibuyele ekhaya. Because immediately mayingene ekhaya, sehlangane nama temptation nama trigger pipeline. Yabo? So I need to constantly keep contact with yabo? Conscious contact nomdala.
Ngicela u-add Tigzo before si jump back with the last phase.
With the last question.
Ngicela ujump singene entweni alcohol because abantu mawuthi ama drugs umuntu vela athi ngisunyawuphe mina ngibheme crystal mina athi ngibheme this and that baqalela ku hubly labantwana abasha chief I'm sure uyabona mfethu yonke indawo lento istyle according to them that is why TikTok and them mababona intuthu nani bayavala bablock leyo video because leyanto leyana kulula monkey see a monkey do. Then abantu abasetshwaleni nabantu abastakile mfethu uzuzibuza ukuthi lo muntu bamloyile na udakwa ngenye indlela mfethu lo muntu ngikhuluma ngabantu abasha akakhona ukooperator afunction angadakwanga
alcoholism alcoholism Groot and it's very I like South Africa futhi yasishaya because abayicavi abantu ukuthi bacanga ukuthi it's a white man disease or kanti affects our black communities more. There's people who can't function. There's people who it's just it's a drug. Mina always say alcohol is a drug. It's just socially accepted. It's a drug. That thing it's a mind altering substance. That thing can take. Kunemindeni vandag. Kuntswembu ejardini.
Because of land.
Because of dieting. The same effects that unyaupe has. Is the same effects that you have in a different way. Because that spiritual malady I spoke of, ema drugs in, it's there na go alcoholism. That obsession to drink, the mental part that I spoke of, ema go addiction, it's there na go alcoholism. That allergic reaction, because a normal person, when they drink 1 or 2 beers, umzimba wabo reacts different. Sebafuna ivati, that's normal. Akusumuntu onales disease lo. When once you have one, you can't stop. Kuze uzuprigwe stuff samalahle endlini ndona.
Yes.
Because you can't stop. So for me, let us not lie. Alcohol is a drug, man. You don't have to live that life. That ain't just coward. It's just it's accepted. So I won't come here and lie and say imbombi ikren. If you are recovering from drugs, you can't afford to drink anymore because when you have a disease of wanting more, awusana right yokuthi uphuze. That's why mina ngibatshela live, mina ngiphuza utshwala Groot. Ngina 4 years no ngiclean and sober, ngiphuza utshwala. And bayeke nokungibuza ukuthi why, because you know why, Groot? Alcohol is the only mind-altering substance where you have to explain why you are not using. Angeke uzwe ema-question anjalo ema-drugsini ukuthi why ungabhemi. Mara etshwaleni uzoyizwa. Bathi uyaphuza uthi ya, akuna-follow up. Bathi uyaphuza uthi hayi, bathi why? Into enjani leyo? Nature sesifuna umuntu ophuzayo these days.
Babhosha.
Basibiza ngamagama bathi ye uzobala ushukela. Bathi uzoloya in black communities. Cabanga.
Mawungaphuzi uyabhora. And or bavela bathi uthanda sex. Scheme wayungaphuzi, should uthanda sex.
Hey, sekumele ngisi-explain why ngingaphuzi. Mina ngivele ngibatshele live ngidaba yangihlula. Ya utshwala bangihlula bafitha ayikani. Mina ngivele ngiyazi ukuthi akanafollow angeke asabuye mangimtshele because i-level yami acceptance akakhona ukuyigrasp because people die trying to fight the fact that they can't handle alcohol.
Yo, Tigzo, I'm tempted to add also issue yama cases owabonayo eMzansi. Bayakutshela ukuthi lama case lawa akhonkokthwe ama charges owabonayo. It's because of lo tshwala. Lama case owabonayo police station overall bakuthola kunama van yile idakwa lesi. Hayi isenza busy man. Yo,
kunentwana ezibhaya ezishizilayo, Groot.
Yeah.
In a sober mind, they would have never made that wrong decision.
Ihlaphukelwe ejele.
In a sober mind, they would have had the conscious yabo, we would have not allowed them. Ukuthi achinjele uyasesteri. Isha 18, Isha 19, Isha 20, a whole life wasted because of alcohol, and then we'll come in city and say, lenta inankinga la emphakathini. Bayingayikho. Sithengisa mali, sithengisa ngayiki. Yamabhiya ngoDecember 1.
I posted a video lentwana engamlambe ishaya study. Bathi nje uDecember kuphela utshwala kuthenga utshwala we1 billion.
Bheka.
1 billion.
Sinenyuku mosithina scheme.
Yeah, no.
Hayi no sinenyuku ebafika
industry.
Anisivuseni nathi ninemali bafika. Hayi. Ngiyabona labo bantu aba1 billion. Mina ngifuna ebhanka yini 1 rand. No 1 billion. Ningiphe 1 rand. Uzoba grand. Hayi 1 rand kwakuyini.
Asivale ngenawo nje your life is taking a good shape net direction. You are an inspiration to young people, and from me I think I can't help it but to say thank you. You are making a huge difference, and I know I've seen the numbers are growing, and I urge people to follow TK. Magati Club Soweto. Ngicela ibe fashion but the trend right yabona. You are not politically aligned. I've never heard you really ungene kakhulu kule space, but we are affected by them. But now ngifuna ukukhuluma ngenawo ijourney yakho and the plans in the future, and that's how we wrap it up.
Firstly, more than anything, I'm a recovering addict, Grootman, yabo, and I'm obliged, whether I like it or not. It is my responsibility now to spread awareness and to spread hope, because if I don't, ispansaka nkulunkulu ngidlale ngaso, yabo. So, more than anything, UTK works with addicts, yabo. Yeah. I'm currently working for a rehabilitation center called Diamond Recovery Center. It's one of the biggest independent like us, but independent as well, because I do so many house calls, yabo. And I'm just finding myself, Groot. And this is a plea to guys like you as well. Ukuthi bafethu thina besibhema ama-drugs. We don't know which doors to knock at. Groot ubonile ngivele ngikuthumela i-DM. How unprofessional is that? Ukuzohlala emasofina kanje mina ngithe DM. Mina ngazi ukuthi ngiyeva. But there's people who are exposed, who know where they can use UTK. Mangithi thumani mina ngisho kanjalo. Uthi Grootman, whether ungibeke ekamereni, whether ungenza isishow, as long as kunale ntwana esekhoneni ezothi mayibona that, because this story needs a happy ending, Grootman. These kids need to see ukuthi mina Grootman, mina police myself, mina ngiyaringa Grootman. Mina ngiyakwata lenta ama drugs angeze yona. Kubhlungu Groot ukuthi ubukela impintshi zakho wonke umuntu around you akhula abamjojo when uyazibheka ukuthi uva. You know, so this story needs to mele le ntwana leya ibona ukuthi TK Scheme GP most lengthy possible sinini TK Span most lengthy possible TK Kara most lengthy possible TK Dladla yabo, family, marriage, kulale story mele siye khona sile type lezo ukuthi after 5 years bese seka relapsile via bese sebamthatha ama video abantu bamenza i-content on social media asidlalile leyo club ayina jesi yangithola grot because when we started using we didn't know esizifaka yabo ngibabuzile ngathi lento injani bathi hayi izokugaya energy lento izokufasela iplug izokufakela iplug lento izokuyenza ukhohle inkingi. They couldn't really explain it but if uyincosi or unencosi and you are wondering what addiction is like, it's like going in and out of jail. It's like not asking a stranger how your mom is doing ngoba usangena endlini. It's like contemplating suicide each and every night. It's like looking at the past 15 years and thinking, where the hell have I been? It's like people stopped inviting you, Scheme. Your family members stopped inviting you because you are hlupha. It's like ukume khoneni ucela intanga yakhe 10 1 maye espanini. It's like waking up every day wondering ukuthi ngizonkawuzana namhlanje. Impilo yakho sekuyi 50 rand ye-bag. It's like seeing all your dreams and all your aspirations disappear right in front of your eyes. So if you as curious as a cat njengami, ngcono wazivara. Ungamameli lento abazokutshela ukuthi ayizokugaya amanga lawo. Iqiniso nalo mina ngiyakutshela. That's what it's like. That's what addiction is like. Yabo? So Groti, this story needs a happy ending. Yabo? This story needs more than just content. It needs more than just likes. It needs more than just videos. TK needs to be in a position one day where he can pull someone else and really transform their life. Like the same people that did that for me. TK needs the resources. He needs to be in a position where he can angadonsi edit the way afuna ngakhona azoshintsha impilo really transform it because sibayise ama rehab siyabakhipha grotne sibabuyisela back to lela jungle ne leza intwana zizobuyela ema drugsini grot asina for all asifana no TK uTK had to be patient with God uTK had to believe in himself leza intwana sifuna asisigayenda ngangithi save impilo zazo asisigayena ama opportunity maziphuma la. Because UTK had to work. UTK uspane as a petrol attendant after a year. His first year was probably the worst time of his life because he didn't have a drug to run to. He had to face it kanye. Sometimes when ngiyokhuthaza intwana ukuthi izekele ngazi nokuthi ngizogawulana jumpers. Mara ngiphume ngiyokhuthaza leza intwana lezi yakulesa scale. Bafethu ngabhema ama drugs. Nginganamuntu, ngizilandeli intwana nje esiblomile. Ngizitshele ngestory sami.
Bafethu ayikabi siyayivala Club Soweto
awuyebo Club Soweto.
Yeah, no, that's how we're wrapping it out. We are signing off here out until the next episode. I promise abantu abakuma comment bazovela bathi episode number 2. UTK ungene kanye ngahlangana naye ngaloku DM angazi team yenze njani Mr. I responded and then within the few minutes UTK wathi Grootman assembly ngicela plug. So nayo ke lento we deliver. Promise him with the promise I make is a promise I keep. Keep well and stay blessed until the next episode. Tigzo, I'll see you in the near future. Sizobe sebenza manje. But now abazali ke na indaba enkulu ke. Mangithi plug yamampela ngiyamplug umuntu. Izokhala le phone. Mayikhala ngiyacela akungabe abantu abazofika bathi overload. When you call him ngicela ukuthi ube neplan boyobhadala rehab boyobhadala kuphi kunomuntu onokubuya njengo doctor doctor on call ubhadala consultation fee mawuyobhadala ubona ilawyer ngeke ikubone chief ithi ngicela something so uyishila into yakhe now le phupho lendlu lemoto nani liyofezwa yini ngicela ama number Bratigzo nama camera lawo avele wachinja impilo zabantu abaningi ama camera wakhe abo magician sibagaya ama number nokuthi utholakala kuphi all the socials zakho then wena uzobuya ne second episode ubuya ngetestimony ukuthi kwenzakaleni.
Thank you, Skim. Matala TK7 on Instagram, Matala TK on TikTok, Toto Tabete at iCloud.com. That's my email. Toto Tabete, small letters, at iCloud.com. That's my email. And then in number I am Yespan is 063 091 5022. That's 063 091 5022. Abantu mele babone ukuthi God is still in the miracle business. As Babun said.
Oh, yeah, bonjour.
Bonjour.
What a boy. Yeah, man. That's Tigzo.